Returning keys to a Traka key cabinet is a fast and easy process. The user accesses the cabinet using their PIN, access badge, or biometric credentials, and then presses "I know what I want." The screen displays all of the key positions, with a yellow check mark indicating which are currently checked out by the user. In addition, the LEDs on the cabinet will illuminate amber to inform the user which key positions correspond to the items in their possession. The user inserts the iFob into the receptor strip, which then locks the iFob in place. Should a key be returned to an incorrect position, the user is alerted on the screen and directed to the correct position for that item. The LED indicators on the cabinet will also illuminate a path from the current key position to the correct position for the returned item. Once keys are returned, the user closes the door and is automatically logged out of the system. Fast and easy with no oversight required. Learn more at Traka.com.